Rain gutters are going to be the absolute best place to look for weathering, erosion, and deposition. So you can definitely see signs of there being ground that has been broken down from the rain. And there is definitely a small dip in the soil there, and that's caused by erosion by water. And then if you look right underneath the spout, while you're on your playground or while you're walking around, look for places where you know students congregate. You're going to be finding, again, large patches of missing pieces of grass. We can tell here that we have a large piece of grass missing, and we definitely have a downward slope towards that bench. So there are going to be signs of taking a look at this part of our building and at your building. If you look around where you're finding maybe a spot where it's inclined towards the building. So you see how there's a little hill going downward towards the building. So that is definitely going to be a place where we have erosion, because when rain falls, we don't have any gutters in this area. So the rain is going to look out on the corners of your playgrounds, anywhere where you see areas where there is not a lot of grass is definitely going to be a good place to look for weathering, erosion, and deposition. So you can see here that our rain is going to come down from the top of the building and come straight down, and it's going to be focusing right on this area. So this area, here is a great example of weathering. So this was once a large piece of concrete, and due to more than likely ice or water, we have cracking, which would be an example of weathering. Here is an example of weathering. We see that the sidewalk is cracked. So it was not always that way. It was a solid piece of concrete, and due to ice or water or wind, we have